been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast.
Hey, it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's all about hair. We have my updated hair care routine as well as some styling tips and how I keep my hair healthy. And I've teamed up with Garnier Fructis for today's video, and I'm a part of the Fructis crew, which I'm really excited about because pretty much my whole life I have used shampoo and conditioner that you can find at the drugstore, and I always thought Garnier had the best smelling shampoos, and they have the damage eraser line, which is perfect for me because I am always filming different hair tutorials, and now that I've been doing some shoots, it is quite hard on my hair, so I've been trying to repair the damage with not just the shampoo and conditioner, but some leave-in treatments, which I have here, like the new Garnier Fructis hair treats that I'm obsessed with. So you will see all my styling tips, and I've been really inspired by the model off-duty look from Instagram. Not that I'm some top model or anything, but I love that very chic, simple, put together looks that a lot of top models wear when they are not working. So I hope you guys like these styles and get some inspiration, and let me know what you think in the comments, maybe what your favorite style is. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and ooh, drop something. Let's get started. I use the Damage Eraser line from Garnier Fructis because it has amla fruit extract and plant-based amino acids similar to those naturally found in hair to help rebuild strength from root to tip, and if I'm showering in the morning, I use cool water to wake me up and seal in the shine. And out of the shower, I'll apply the Damage Eraser serum, and this is used to top off hair treatment and help rebuild strength with the shampoo and conditioner. Again, you should notice improvement to your hair within the first use, and now let's get started with my go-to styling tips. For every day, I try to cut back on heat as much as possible by air drying my hair. You might have seen my hair in this style in my New York vlog because it's super simple and foolproof for on the go. If you don't have time to air dry your hair completely, I like to finish off with a diffuser to bring in some natural wave. Pop on a beret. I love this because it adds a volume to the top of the head, and then add in a Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser Liquid Strength one more time to help style. And I love a bit of wave to my hair because it definitely makes my strands look thicker. When I need to look polished all day, this is a style I go to because it keeps waves off the face and makes sure the hair stays clean to switch it up at night. So we'll start with my natural texture and then have my hair parted in the center. Create curls away from the face, and my go-to barrel size is a 25mm wand, so whenever my hair is curled, that's usually what I've used, and this only takes me a couple minutes because I curl in large sections. Brush it out. Add some shine serum to the ends. This is Garnier Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, which really polishes the curls. And then I add 2 clips hitting just where my brows end. So this looks slightly 2000s and slightly fashion, depending on how you want to look at it, but I do this because when my hair is down, I fluff it and I play with it using my hands all day and make it dirty, whereas when it's clipped back, it remains in style better and I can take it out after a long day and touch it up easily for an event. So next up, we have chic pigtails using those second day curls, perfect for a cute coffee date. I wore these when I had my first matcha experience. All you need to do is leave out some front pieces of hair. Gather each side a little below your shoulder, and then apply the elastic, and you want to use something that's really thin and plastic rather than a thick elastic. This will just make it look a lot more chic, and once it's in there, slightly tug the hair on top so the pigtail lays flat. Add some more curl if you want to, and then to liven up those second day curls, I'm using the Garnier Fructis Hold and Flex Ultimate Control Spray for long-lasting hold without stickiness or any residue. This is also going to protect the hair against humidity, which is key to long-lasting style. Touchable curls for the second day style, and next up is my recovery bun. This is perfect for third day hair because we're going to add in a hair mask, or also just for preserving second day curls. This is for sure my laziest style, and you'll need a silky scarf. If you followed me for a while, you may have noticed I have a lot of these, and just tilt your hair upside down and tie into a pony. This is much more gentle on your hair than an elastic, and it doesn't dent the hair. Now we're going in with an awesome product. This is the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Treats, which is new to the Garnier family and available now at drugstores and mass retailers. I have the papaya extract again for damage repair, and you can use this as your conditioner, as a hair mask, or as a leave-in treatment. So I'm going to do that one. You can dampen your hair and apply more mask. I've just applied a little bit of water to the ends and then added the hair treat in, and I'll wear this in a ballerina bun tied in place with a scarf all day. The formula is made to boost hair with superfruit extracts. The texture is smooth and creamy for nourished hair, and this is a vegan formula without silicones. This is a product I use about twice a week for an extra treat to the hair. Here we have the final style. This one is very model off duty and a bit out of my comfort zone, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. We are going to create a really sleek updo by parting the hair in the center, combing down and applying the Garnier Fructis Hold and Flex Ultimate Control Spray to give a polished updo look with the effort of a quick bun. Gather the hair into your hand at the back of your neck, and create a bun around your hand, and then wrap the ends to create a bun shape with a slight twist to the hair. Next, play with a couple bobby pins and secure this in place. I like to avoid elastics as much as I can, and I like to leave the ends peeking out so you can see some strands when you're looking straight on, and also for a mix of a polished and undone look. Little more hairspray, and this is infused with bamboo extract. As I said before, it protects hair against the effects of humidity, but it doesn't feel crunchy. I took photos with flash and the hair looked super smooth and touchable. And you can add a hat again. I love hats. And I love this hairspray because I took down my hair after shopping, and even after quite a bit of spray, my hair still moves naturally. And there are all of my complete looks. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my hair care routine with the Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser shampoo and conditioner, as well as my styling tips, because most of the time you guys do see me with these loose waves and I do get heat to get them like this, but I love to do in-between styles to kind of preserve my style and to keep my hair healthy. So hopefully this tutorial helped you out and gave you some ideas, and I really recommend this mask. The hair treats smells amazing and it isn't heavy on the hair. Like, I'm filming this after I had my hair in that scarf bun, and I let it down and I still have really pretty waves and it doesn't feel sticky at all. My hair feels great. So definitely check it out. There will be a link down below, and if you want to keep updated with me on Instagram or Twitter, I'm always under Jackie Wyers, and I will see you in my next tutorial.